placing our boards in here, we're going to go ahead and make sure that we're going to measure twice, cut once, like we always say, right? So here is our whiskey barrel. And I have taken a liberty to actually mark out in the whiskey barrel, tap dead center of exactly where it is. So we understand when we place this inside here and we drill it in that we're going to be on tap dead center, okay? So let's take our post with our braces, place it inside our barrel, make sure that we are in tap dead center, and then we'll start making our markings. Okay, now we're ready to finish out our joints. We made our markings. We're on tap dead center. We know exactly where we're supposed to be. So I'm going to make one representatory drill bit in here, and we're going to get going, okay? So here's our guide hole. Okay, we made our first guide hole. Okay, now we got our guide hole in here. We're ready to put our deck bolt back in. And make sure it's on line with the lines that we just got done made for balancing. And we're good. Cut. All right, so now that you see we have our joint in place and everything's ready to go, now we're going to make our markings on the barrel so we can make our drill holes in our guides so we can get this drill to the barrel from the bottom side, okay? So here we go. I'm going to make the hole, the alignments right there to the side of the board, all the way out, so we can basically make a pattern right here of where the board is going to be. Because once we get this thing upside down, it's going to be hard to understand exactly where we are. So let's be a little bit of fun. Now we start our holes. I'll go ahead and remove our post. And then as you can see, we have our guides right here, right? Go ahead and make our guide hole right there while it's sitting in front of us. Then we'll be ready to put our barrel on our spikes. Okay, one of the toughest parts of this project is being able to understand how we're going to get this post drilled to the bottom of the whiskey barrel and still be tap dead center, okay? We made our lines, right? And we've already been able to put our lines back in here. So let's take a look inside the barrel real quick. As you can see, we've been able to use our chair and use our braces to be able to get everything on tap dead center again. We're within our lines and we're ready to drill. So now we're going to go ahead and drill. Okay, now we got everything on tap dead center. We're going to go ahead and start drilling the bottom of the barrel into our post, okay? Make sure you got a good view here. Okay, all right, so we've been able to brace our post inside our whiskey barrel, and let's see how we did. And we are tap dead center. All right, on for our next one. Now we start working on our irrigation.